Wyclef Jean tonight with another pitch for attendance at the Island Music Conference and his venture into electric cars.
Someone please call 911.
What is in it for the youth? If you're making $1 million right now and you show up to these panels, there's a way before the year is out that you can make another $1 million. And I know you wouldn't want to lose out like that. I think this initiative is very important. Family, I always tell my young bloods, right? It's real simple. Don't leave no money on the table. So get as much information as you can, because information is power.
What was the last gig or the last, business deal you had that put a lot of money in your pocket?
My EV company. So I have a EV company which focuses, everybody know Wyclef Jean love cars, you know what I mean? So right now just working on, again, like I always say, the only thing that separates me and Elon Musk is just a little distance, you know what I mean? Like intellectually, I feel like we all there if we use that brain. So as we move forward, I used to spend like $30 million just on cars. Now I don't do that no more. Like I built my own cars, I built my own electric bikes, and then I sell them back to consumers and people like that. So if anybody want to look online, just Google Wyclef Jean electric cars, you're there.
His third published book failed with mud. Many Jamaicans wouldn't have heard of Aishan Hutchinson, but the award-winning wordsmith from Port Antonio, a rising star on the international poetry scene.